Merry Vlogmas 2022!
Hey everybody, I'm Natasha.
And I'm Bill.
And we're nursing our travel bug.
We've been full-time RVing for over 5 years now.
And we document our journey right here on YouTube. But for the next 25 days, we are participating in Vlogmas, where we release a video every single day.
Make sure you start at day 1 so you know what's happening. And subscribe and ring that notification bell.
Now, on to today's episode.
Oh, hello there. Good morning. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 10. We're going to refer to this as a lazy Saturday morning. Sometimes it's a Sunday morning, but this time it's a lazy Saturday morning. We all woke up relatively the same time, which is actually bizarre. But we got our coffee brewed, and we're going to start the day off with a little video game time together. We're all playing the same game. Yes, it might be on 3 different video game systems. Will might be in another room, but we're all playing the same game together. This morning it's Fortnite, which is kind of funny, because when this game first came out, Natasha and I were both like, that is stupid. I'm not playing that. Turns out, now we all play it together. So, that's what we're going to do. We're going to see what the day brings us. For now, back to our gaming. Gotta pwn the noobs. People still say that, right?
They don't say that. They say, get boxed like a fish and crank 90s on them bots.
And show us the remote.
I'm playing on Xbox.
Well, my coffee's gone. And we're going out on a high note. We just got a victory royale, which means our team out of 50 teams was the winner. Woo! So, Bella's correcting me. Our team out of 25 teams won. Woo! So, it's about 9:30. I'm feeling hungry, so let's go get some breakfast started on our Blackstone on our porch deck. Ooh. We love our side patio, and one of the ways we use it is to come out here and do some grilling and some cooking, and we especially love to make breakfast on it on the weekends. Speaking of the Blackstone, this is a fantastic gift option if you or someone you know is an RVer or a van lifer. It's pretty amazing. You can cook almost anything on it. It's great for boondocking because it just runs off of propane like a regular grill. If you don't have a Blackstone and you're really interested in getting one, check out the Amazon link in the description. It doesn't cost you anything more. Yeah, we get a few pennies for every dollar you spend, so it really helps out our channel. Don't have a Blackstone, aren't interested in a Blackstone? That's okay. You can still use that link and it helps support our channel, and we sure do appreciate it. All right, now Mama's got to get to cooking. Bill is pretty amazing. He cooks dinner for our family almost every single night of the week. So the weekends is when I get to shine and kind of take over the spatula and tackle the cooking. Now, I will admit, though, Will really enjoys cooking breakfast for the family on the weekends. So he is going to be my sous chef, and we're going to make breakfast together.
Yeah, we're like, you're going to be my sous chef.
Oh.
And I always make it.
Okay, chef.
You never make breakfast.
Say grace and chow down.
God is good. God is great. Let us thank Him for our food. Amen. God bless. Thank you, Jesus.
We annihilated breakfast. There's 1 pancake and like 3 strips of bacon left. So the kids are going to get cleaned up, and we've got some chores to get done today.
My job's cleaning the bathrooms.
My job is sweeping the floors and mopping them.
Since it's my day off, we are just going to leave the garage in bedroom mode, but that means I need to make the bed. Whew! Making a bed on a lift in a garage space is almost as much fun as making a true RV bed. But, she doesn't look too shabby. So now that the bed is made and the room is cleaned up, I'm gonna do a little bit of Christmas gift wrapping. Shh! Don't spoil the surprise!
Beer braised pork butt. It's kind of something that's gonna feed a crowd. I've made this on multiple occasions. We're changing it up a little today. Normally you do it in the oven. We're gonna try it in our Ninja Foodie. Try it on the air fryer feature first at a high temperature for 45 minutes, and then you bring it temperature down and let it cook for a couple hours. So give it a shot. See what happens, bro. Now the key to this beer braised pork butt is to get the nastiest, maybe you like it though, to get the darkest, I say soy sauciest beer out there. They recommend the Bass beer in the recipe, which we'll put down there in the description. I have found in the past a Dunkel has worked, and we also got a extra stout. Now, we're not a fan of the dark beers, so see if you can tell by our face which one we think is the nastiest, and therefore we will be cooking with.
Delicious! Pop the top, baby!
First one is a Warsteiner Dunkel. Oh, it smells very, very nice.
Bill's pretty stoic. Not me so much. Okay, it smells like beer. It doesn't smell like soy sauce, so that's good. That's actually not bad. I kind of like it.
All right, on to the Guinness Extra Stout.
Mm.
Would you like to first dibs?
He just wants to see my face first.
Oh, come on, you're Irish. This is your beer.
No, you know, I'm only like a quarter Irish. I'm not big into whiskey. Certainly don't like dark beer. So perhaps there's other... I like potatoes! There's my Irish. Ooh, that's got an interesting aftertaste.
Mmm.
I think we have our winner. Guinness
It's something. It's not soy saucy. See, that's the key. The first time we ever made this recipe, there was this Francis Connor Dunkel, and it was perfect, and everyone said it was delicious, and since then we haven't been able to find that beer, and every time we make this, it's just not the same. But we'll give it a shot this time around, and I think we'll use the extra stout, and since we didn't mind this one, maybe we'll have some afternoon drink.
Mm. Perfect for a day when you just want to chill and relax, right?
That's right.
Cheers.
Not that one. Don't drink that. Why am I making 8 pounds of meat? Well, it'll be plenty. It's going to be overkill for the amount of people that are coming over. But tonight, Natasha's brother and his family are coming over to see the RV and hang out for a bit. And we'll have a delicious feast of roast beast for all the who's in Whoville to enjoy. Well, that's it. That's all you get. That was our lazy Saturday. We told you that's what we were doing.
We have to have days like this every now and again. The RV life can be very fun and exciting, seeing and exploring new places. But, you know, everybody needs a little downtime to just chill, just be. And this is how our family likes to do that.
What's your weekend routine? You do a big breakfast? Do you go out to breakfast? What's in store for you this weekend? Let us know down there in the comments.
We hoped you enjoyed our lazy Saturday. If so, give this video a big old thumbs up. It really helps.
While you're at it, make sure you are subscribed to our channel and then ring that notification bell so you're notified anytime we put out a video.
And if this is your first Vlogmas, make sure you go back to day 1 and watch them all the way through. We've had a lot of exciting adventures, tips and tricks, and good information for you. And there's more to come.
Well, that's it for Vlogmas Day 10.
I'm Natasha.
I'm Bill.
And we're nursing our travel bug, encouraging you to nurse what makes you happy.
And that's a good big old breakfast.
That's just sleeping in and relaxing on a day off.
Well, I guess I'm done relaxing. Maybe I'll go get cleaned up. So if you don't want to catch a glimpse of that, it's time for you to shut off this video.
We're not recording it anyway. Bye, y'all. And it's pretty. Pass me the booze.
It's closer. This one.
Brady, sit down. Sit down or get down, dude. It's recording. Sit. Sit. Sit.
Who listens better in your family? Kids or the dog?
Neither. Quiet up there, please.